Hello viewers, welcome to AudioVis 360. Today I have this JBL Tune Flux Ghost edition. So the problem is battery backup. This side it is working, it is giving very few minutes of backup, but this side it is completely dead. So I am going to replace the battery of this right side. Left side is similar. So alright, without wasting any time, let me take this out. So this is transparent made of JBL Tune Flex model. So you can see the battery is flat here. So alright, without wasting any time, let me take out the housing here. So we have to give some heat over here so that the top housing will come out. So let me give some heat here. As you can see, after giving some heat, this has come out. So simply I'm going to take out the battery here. You can see the battery is thin, so I'm going to install some other battery of the same thickness. So alright, so I have taken out the battery, and the voltage in this battery is more than 4.2 volts. So voltage is good, but I'm not sure why this is not turning on. So let me replace the battery. There might be current storage is bad in this, or else some problem might be in the motherboard. So let's see, with after replacing the battery, let's decide that. So let me replace the battery here. So alright, I am planning to install this battery because this thickness and the battery thickness of this is similar. Just focusing here. So you can see thickness of the battery is same, and most probably both are of almost similar capacity. So let me install this battery. If the housing closes, then this battery will be fine. Otherwise I have to find some smaller battery than this. So alright, let me do that. So I have installed the battery. It has been perfectly sitting in the housing, and I have closed this as of now because I don't want to paste it. But the problem here is, as I said earlier, this battery is also having 4.2 volts fully charged, and this new battery also installed. But whatever is the case, the light is not glowing. This side light should glow. You can see left side it is glowing like this, but this right side light is not coming. So the problem is in the motherboard of this Tune Flex earbud right side. So because of the motherboard, even after battery replacement, this is not working. For that I have opened the housing here, this case housing like this, and I wanted to clean this. I have cleaned the contacting points as well, but even though after cleaning, this bud is not turning on, or neither charging. So because of the bad motherboard, this is not working. Previously I have replaced for many who has very few minutes of battery backup. So in this case, the motherboard is completely dead. So alright, it's time to wind up the video. If you have anything like this which is having very low battery backup, I am located here in Bangalore. You can just do message on this above WhatsApp number, and you can send it to my address. I can fix it and I will send it back to you, like JBL 230NC, 235NC, Bose, Jabra, so many other models. If you want me to replace the battery, I can do it for you. Again, I am telling, I am from Bangalore, so you can send it to me through courier. I can fix it and I will send it back to you to your address. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioVis 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioVis 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.